What if I told you that I see, yes, frozen water could be the next big source of renewable energy? Canadian scientists are turning something we thought was only cold and lifeless into electricity. This changes everything. Stick around. This could be the coolest discovery of the decade. Welcome back to Global Impact English, where we uncover groundbreaking innovations shaping our future. Today's story takes us to the frozen frontiers of Canada, where scientists have made an astonishing breakthrough. Generating energy from ice? Yes, energy from cold, frozen ice. This is no science fiction. It's happening right now, and it could revolutionize how we power remote, icy regions across the globe. The science behind it. Researchers in Canada and the US have created a small electric cell that can generate electricity from ice by manipulating pH levels. They use salt and acid to create a pH difference between two layers of ice. This difference causes protons to flow, generating a tiny amount of electricity, currently around 0.1 mil. Why this matters? Now, 0.1 milliwatt may sound tiny, but it proves one major point. Ice can be used as a clean energy source. Think about the vast ice-covered landscapes in Canada, the Arctic, Greenland, and Antarctica. Imagine harnessing electricity from something we already have in abundance. Eco-friendly and scalable. Even better, the materials used are environmentally friendly. That means this technology could potentially scale without harming the planet. We're talking about off-grid energy possibilities for extreme climates, survival tech, and even space exploration. Bonus, ice slurry for energy storage. Canada is also experimenting with using ice slurry, a mix of ice and water, to store energy efficiently. This could be a game changer for managing energy in cold regions, or even cooling urban buildings with clean tech. While still in its early stages, this ice energy tech proves that innovation knows no limits, not even temperature. What do you think? Could this become the future of clean energy in polar zones? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more future tech videos every week.